world-famous fruit by world-famous families. There's something very gratifying being a family who is working for a family-owned company. We each experience the benefits of work life and bringing healthy fruit to people. My husband, nephew, and I contribute in our different roles to the overall goal of cultivating people and delighting consumers. My name is Lynn Reimer, and my story and path to being meaningful started as early as 1 year old. My mom and dad did third world relief work, and very early on, I learned the importance of being a steward of people and the planet. I want to make a difference in people's lives. Now, I'm part of a community that is making a difference in the bigger picture. When you look back on your life, the most important thing is what your life experience is and what you can contribute. Coming alongside coworkers and helping them in their time of need, whether that be with guiding them back to health or assisting with their payroll and benefits questions, that's what I find gratifying. Carrying out my parents' legacy of helping others and being a responsible caretaker of resources is an example of the values that they've instilled in me. It's integrally who I am and who Stemilt is.